Hi, welcome to this video on Microsoft SQL covering an introduction to SQL and SSMS. SQL or SQL stands for Structured Query Language and is a programming language used for managing data in a relational database. A relational database simply is a collection of tables with predefined relationships between them. The application we use to write SQL and manage databases is called SSMS, or SQL Server Management Studio, and that is what you see on the screen. Across the top you can see tabs that can be selected and provide more options. This is standard Microsoft format. Below that you'll see a toolbar with again more options. An important button there is the new query button that we'll be using. On the left hand side you've got the Object Explorer window, and this is where you will see all of these SQL instances that you're connected to. So right now I've got a SQL installed on my computer. That is the name of the SQL instance, and within that I've got various ways of maintaining and managing the SQL instance, and also in this folder here it shows all the databases that I've got. But I'm not limited to only having one SQL instance in here. I can click connect and I can connect to others if I've got the rights and the name of the instance. To interrogate a database, you can either right click it and choose new query, or you can click on the new query button. When you do one of those, what will happen is the main bit of the screen here will produce a pane where you can actually start typing. It's got a little tab at the top here because we can have multiple of these things open at any one time, and if we have too many open, what happens is a little drop down here allows you to select different ones. Also, when I press the new query button, it opened up a new toolbar here, so at any point I can change what database I'm looking at. There's also various other buttons that we'll go through in other videos. The final thing I'll show you is when you've done your typing and you've created your SQL, if you want to save it, you've got options of saving it. So with these two buttons are File and Save. When you do choose to save, the extension of the file is .SQL. So you can save it somewhere and then retrieve it at a later date. That's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful.